bus.
Didn't even get to cross.
As a dedicated rugged devices company, for more than half a decade, we always push the boundaries of rugged devices to meet the future-proof needs. By rethinking what a better rugged smartphone can offer, we bring about a breakthrough, innovative intercom technology into a ruggedized phone arena, introducing the all-new BV9500 Pro. It comes with leading-edge intercom technology, supporting 0.5 by 2 web hardware intercom, digital and analog dual channel, including China, United States, European Union, Russia and South Africa. Several optional frequencies included. You can connect with interphones or other intercom equipment, as long as they share the same frequency channel. BV9500 Pro's walkie-talkie feature meets the contact needs of various occasions, whether it is climbing, driving, skiing with friends, or working with colleagues indoor or outdoor. It is the most solid smartphone we ever built, featuring IP69 certified rating of water and dust proof. We have comprehensive protection for every component inside and outside the phone, ensuring every single one of the elements can survive from extreme challenge, resulting in BV9500 Pro to be able to stand against water immersion in up to 6 feet for up to 2 hours, and resist 1450 psi high pressure and 80 degrees Celsius high temperature skin scouring. Also, by sealing off each single one of the ports from inside, dust, iron fillings, sawdust, sand, and all the other tiny dirt stays outside. BV9500 Pro is ultra durable with its extremely robust architecture, reinforced by aviation-grade aluminum alloy and industrial rubber. Built against shock vibrational drop, there is no match for this intercom rugged smartphone, and fear no more for this phone to be able to survive and where other phones fail. Inside the tough exterior of BV9500 Pro lies massive energy, a 10,000 mAh battery, custom crafted to pack maximum performance into a ruggedized body. And it's not just about big battery. Pump Express Plus fast charging and Qi wireless charging technology also come in handy, giving you the longest battery life out of any rugged smartphones, while still fully chargeable in a short period of time. BV9500 Pro features an advanced dual camera system. Its 16-megapixel main camera is equipped with the big f2 aperture and 6-element lens to capture clear photos. Combined with a depth of field sub camera, BV9500 can produce beautiful photos with creamy dreamy bokeh effect. It's also smarter, faster, more powerful and efficient than ever. The octa-core Helio P23 processor, 6GB RAM plus 128GB ROM, and the latest Android 8.1 Oreo enables fast and snappy app launch, smooth switch from multiple apps, a bright 500 nit IPS display, Full HD Plus resolution, and solid Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on top. BV9500 Pro makes photos and videos looks as vibrant as real life. Side-place fingerprint recognition, safe and convenient to protect your personal privacy. BV9500 Pro is now a world phone. It supports numerous frequencies bands and offers incredible performance in global 4G network. The 2 SIM cards it supports, both compatible with various carriers. We have always asked ourselves, how can we improve our products to a new dimension? BV9500 Pro is the end result of this approach. By continuously building it as tough as we can, equipping it with our latest intercom technological achievements, and packing it in incomputable advanced configurations. It's the most amazing rugged smartphone, especially for those who need to communicate through intercom devices. BV9500 Pro can do things that no other phone has ever done. It's one of a kind.
Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind.
With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world. We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support, we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use, and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.
This is the Igloo Home Smart Padlock. It may look normal, but it'll do what other padlocks cannot. Enable smarter, instant remote access. It's designed to make everyday life easier and more secure. Nothing's more secure than a lock, right? At least not until you lose the key or forget the combination. It's such a hassle to get replacement keys or call an expensive locksmith to break it open. Well, there are already Bluetooth padlocks out there, but unlocking usually requires an additional app download and account registration. Not so easy. That's why we've developed the Igloo Home Smart Padlock. It's versatile and user-friendly. And there's no need to download an app to receive access. You can securely receive a code via text or messenger. As an owner, you can easily grant time-sensitive access directly from the Igloo Home app. And you can do this wherever you are.
Hi, I'm Matthew. As Airbnb hosts ourselves, we started Igloo Home to make smart locks and lock boxes that would provide our guests with easy and secure ways to enter our rental properties. Since then, we've gone on to win awards for our design and technology, which has been rolled out in over 80 countries and counting. We're now launching a smart padlock focused on sharing access and everyday use.
The Igloo Home Smart Padlock is jam-packed with features. Remote deployability is built around the Igloo Home PIN code algorithm. A similar system is used by banks and in RSA tokens, so it's very secure. With our unique remote PIN codes, users simply receive a text, instant message in real time, or an email from the lock owner. No additional app download is needed. Users can request access by scanning the QR code on the lock. Plus, you don't need to be nearby the lock to create these PIN codes. The smart padlock recognizes the dedicated code that's been generated by the app. Codes can be one-time, duration-based, recurring, or permanent use. For example, you can grant recurring access to your dog walker every Wednesday morning. Or if you have a shared storage with others, you can give each person a unique code to access the space. You can also track who unlocked it and when it was done. The smart padlock also has Bluetooth capabilities. You can unlock via your smartphone when you're within Bluetooth range.
We've worked hard to strike the right balance between security and convenience. Please support us on Indiegogo today.